spaghetti and meatballs night for me and the kids. And they thought that I was going to do all the prepping and cooking and cleaning and serving. Nah, we do child labor over here.
But I like doing that stuff.
Got them mixing up the
Daddy,
the
can
product.
we double it into balls?
Nah, it's not done yet. Y'all got to finish mixing.
How many minutes does this take?
Until your hands fall off. How about that?
Oh, dang it. Well, can I just cut off my hand?
I'm just playing. I'm just playing. It's not that serious. Spaghetti and meatballs. If you got children, it is okay for them to be used for child labor. Remember that.
This is actually kind of...
Alright, so we got the freshly made meatballs going into the oven. Put them in there. And we got that water boiling. About to hit it with the spaghettis. Gotta stir the spaghetti, make sure they don't get stuck together. Yeah, they looking real good so far. So far, so good. Alright, now the spaghetti done. We finna do this sauce. I got a secret sauce that I use. I can't tell nobody, but I'm gonna do like my mama used to do when I was younger. And I'm gonna take the hot water straight from the jar and pour in there to add to the sauce. Woo, that's hot. Woo, woo, woo. Alright, y'all.